Hi students, I am so happy to see you again. Here I am going to explain about presentation software for grade 7 students from Unit 6. From this video, we are going to learn about what is presentation software, example for presentation software, what are the differences of manual book and presentation software? What are the advantages of presentation software? First, let's see what is presentation. Presentation is a method used to communicate information and ideas to a certain person or a group. What is electronic presentation? Electronic presentation is a tool used to make a presentation attractive and fruitful. An electronic presentation like a book, but it is not totally similar. These are the examples for presentation software. Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice Impress, Apple Keynote, Corel Presentation. Now let's see what are the differences of manual book and presentation software. Manual book composed of pages, presentation software composed of slides. In manual book, we contain the pages. In presentation software, we can move from slide to slide. Manual book included words, pictures, and also presentation software included words and pictures. In manual book, we can't include videos, songs, links, and in presentation software, we can include videos, songs, and links. After a book is printed, changing the content is so difficult. But in presentation software, content of a presentation can be changed again and again. These are the advantages of presentation software. Teaching in normal way, we should use many words. But in presentation software, no need of using so many words. In normal way teaching, more effort is needed to explain fact. But in presentation, less effort to explain fact. Teaching in normal way, more chances to change concentration, but in presentation software, less chance to change the concentration. Teaching in normal way, more effort should be made to acquire information, but in presentation, less effort to acquire fact. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you. See you again.